Hey guys, today I'll be doing a video unboxing from the iCube Mart. This is the white version. So here's its cute little box. It's yellow, so I haven't seen anyone else without just the stickerless ones. So I'm hoping this is like the first one of the real ones, of the actual competition legal ones on YouTube. If not, oh well. If so, cool. So yeah, white 42mm cube. All my cubes are packed away for college, so I can't really compare it. It's small. Here's the box for the 55. So you obviously know it's, yeah, anyway. Turning, it's not great. It's not bad either. It turns pretty good. I plan on doing the 48-point edge mod and modding it and lubing it. So yeah, thank you iCube Mart for actually getting these in black and white. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed my unboxing. There will be a review coming soon, so look out for that. So thanks guys. See you in the next video.